weed drive, grinding, buzzing, whatever you want to call that. I'll demonstrate real quick. Horrible grinding. Seen people say to adjust this screw. That did nothing for me. Seen people say to bend that little piece up. That does, it helps a little bit, but for my problem, it's not enough. For mine, this whole piece from these two screws all the way up is shifted too far this way. I know this because I can push it to the left, and look at there, nice and quiet. Let off, back to the left. So what I'm going to do is loosen this screw and this screw, and take that whole piece and twist it slightly, and then tighten it back down until I get the sound to go away through trial and error.